Hello investors and traders. Today I'll speak about NetflixStock. Yesterday it was quarterly report. It was quite nice. We can see the pre-market price is 270, so the investors like the quarterly report. First, let's check the chart. In my mind, if we will see last 20 years it's increasing channel, and here in my mind it was impulse. It was the first phase, the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth. Now most probably the correction here is finished. It was a clean ABC move, and now maybe we are expecting a new impulse. So from this point, from this level, we are going to raise, in my mind. The quarter report, we can see that nice projections the company gave. The streaming leader added about 2.4 million customers in the third quarter, exceeding internal forecast as well as the expectation on Wall Street. Also, Netflix grew in the regions of the world and stated in the shareholder letters that it expects to sign up another 4.5 million globally this period. I think this one is the main point why we can see that surge in the company stock in the pre-market about 15-20%. And of course the revenue for the quarter grew about 6%, beating analyst projections, and profit of $3.1 EPS price earning per share. Also topped estimates, and the number of paying customers increased to 22 million. And let's check the Netflix fundamental parameters. We can see the total score is 84, quite nice and quite high score. We can see the debt to EBITDA ratio is less than 1, interest coverage 8, very strong. Any problems with that for this company in my mind? The marginality is also impressive. Gross margin above 14, net margin is 16, so quite nice and quite high figures. The growth potential, we can see that last 3 years EBITDA and revenue show a double-digit growth, above 20%. And for the future years, the projections for future 3-5 years, we can see EPS about 10% and revenue also 10%, double digits, quite impressive. So the analysts expecting the business of this company to grow. And also the value, current value, PE is about 21, PS 3. So PS I think is nice, is relative not expensive, but the PE is above 20. I don't think it's cheap at all for the market, for the S&P, if we speak in general, all the times normal PE is 15. Everything above 15, of course it's expensive. So need to monitor this stock, this PE ratio. But now no, forward is about a little bit less, 20, but also not cheap at all. And the liquidity, from the liquidity standpoint of view, current ratio and quick ratio is above 1, so it's okay. Any problems with liquidity, any problem with that for this company? So generally speaking, quite nice quarter report. There is a potential to grow for this company. There is a stock potential. Let me move to the daily chart. Here we can see a gap. You can see the gap at 327. So from the current level there is a nice potential to grow at least about 20%. I'm personal hold this stock in my portfolio. I will continue to hold it. I think my average cost of it shares is about 200. I added a few shares here. So Netflix I like it. I think it's relatively fairly evaluated now. So we'll see, we'll check how today after the report it will be traded. But in my mind, of course, I think if the correction here is finished, so the stock of course has a huge potential. And also from its high levels we can see that now, even after the report, is down more than 60%. So you can imagine for yourself that there is really a very huge potential. The weekly RSI is 46, and the monthly is about 36. So also the RSI, the momentum indicator, telling us that this stock is already oversold. So here I think this stock may continue to grow. So if you like this video, press the like button. I have a lot of video about stocks, technical analysis, S&P 500, Elliott waves, and other interesting video in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next time. Bye.